Hey everyone, the Acer Nitro Blaze 11 marks a bold step forward in the world of portable gaming. Following the success of the Nitro Blaze 7, which debuted as a capable gaming handheld in September 2024, Acer is poised to take its gaming portfolio to new heights with the Nitro Blaze 11. Revealed ahead of CES 2025, this latest handheld pushes boundaries with an impressive array of features designed to captivate gamers. One of the standout aspects of the Nitro Blaze 11 is its massive display. At 10.95 inches, the WQXGA screen with Fidelity FX Super Resolution offers a visual experience that sets it apart from the competition. The panel boasts 500 nits of maximum brightness, a responsive 10-point touch interface, and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. These specifications place it closer in design to an iPad, long regarded as a favorite for mobile gamers. In contrast, most other handhelds on the market, such as the 7.4-inch Steam Deck and the 7-inch ROG Ally X, feature significantly smaller screens. The increased size of the Nitro Blaze 11 enhances immersion, making it a strong contender for those seeking a more cinematic gaming experience. Performance is another area where the Nitro Blaze 11 excels. Powered by the Ryzen 7884 0HS mobile processor, it delivers laptop-level performance. The processor is paired with the Radeon 780M GPU, which utilizes RDNA 3 architecture to ensure seamless graphics rendering. With up to 16 gigs of RAM and a massive 2 terabytes of SSD storage, the Nitro Blaze 11 is well-equipped to handle demanding games and multitasking. The 55 watt-hour battery provides ample power for extended play sessions and supports 100-watt USB Type-C charging for quick top-ups. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Nitro Blaze 11 offers a versatile software environment compatible with a wide range of PC games and applications. Acer sweetens the deal with a 3-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass, giving users access to an expansive library of titles right out of the box. The handheld is built with gaming comfort and durability in mind. It features Hall effect sticks and triggers, eliminating common issues like stick drift that plague traditional controllers. A dual 2-watt speaker system ensures clear audio, while detachable controllers add flexibility, akin to the Nintendo Switch. For streamers and video call enthusiasts, the front-facing camera is a thoughtful addition. Acer's decision to incorporate a larger screen and high-performance internals into the Nitro Blaze 11 positions it as a groundbreaking device in the gaming handheld market. While many handhelds prioritize portability with smaller screens and modest performance, the Nitro Blaze 11 strikes a compelling balance between size, power, and functionality. As CES 2025 approaches, anticipation for the Nitro Blaze 11 continues to grow. With its robust design, cutting-edge features, and competitive specifications, this device is set to make waves among gamers looking for a premium handheld experience. Whether you're into casual gaming or demanding AAA titles, the Nitro Blaze 11 offers an experience that rivals many gaming laptops in a portable package. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.